Hey friends, welcome to my formal living room tour. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all of the amazing thrift and Facebook Marketplace scores that I found to furnish this entire room. Yes, you heard me. Stick around and I'll share all of the details with you.
So you picture on my timeline. So you picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline overwhelmed for hours by my timeline. So you picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline overwhelmed for hours by my timeline. So you picture.
All right, let's start with these gorgeous roll arm nail head trim sofas. These beauties came from Habitat Restore. They were $125 a piece. And can you believe I almost passed them up because I wasn't fond of the color? But after a brief once-over of these sofas, I quickly came to my senses. These pieces were placed on the showroom floor just moments before I walked into the door. Talk about timing. The craftsmanship of these sofas was impeccable. From the nail head trim to the brass clawfoot legs to the luxurious velvety chenille fabric, no detail was left untouched. This was pure artistry. All it needed was the perfect pillows. Once I got these beauties home, I decided to do a little research to try and find out where they were manufactured and what they may actually retail for brand new. Turns out I hit the motherlode of luxury jackpot finds. These babies were custom made by a luxury furniture company called Cheryl Furniture. Now I understand why I was so drawn to them. They're one-of-a-kind pieces. The next gorgeous piece I found at Habitat was this gigantic floor mirror. Can we just say, wow? They literally had not put it out on the floor yet, and fortunately for me, I'm there several times a week, so I have quite a rapport with the staff. They even know my taste in home decor. So as I'm walking around looking, one of the managers pulls me to the side and says, I think I may have something in the back that you might want to take a look at. I could have hugged his neck so tight when I saw this mirror. Unbelievable score. This mirror cost me just $225, a mere fraction of what it would retail for brand new. Shout out to Emilio. I purchased 3 of these wooden benches at $15 a piece. They look like they may have come out of a school gym or perhaps a bowling alley. I'm not really sure, but I have a very exciting project coming up for these in a future video.
On my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine.
The next amazing finds are these gorgeous glass curio cabinets. I found these on Facebook Marketplace. They were just $100 for the pair. I did have to drive about an hour and a half to pick these up. but they were well worth the drive. These gorgeous golden swans are also thrift treasures. I just add a few succulents and now they're beautiful planters. Most of the smaller decor pieces in this room came from thrifting. This horse head was not one of them. It cost a pretty penny. It came from TJ Maxx. However, these pictures came from the thrift store. They were just $25 a piece and I just love them. The frames on them are beautiful and they go perfectly above my fireplace mantle. Inside of the curio cabinets are a mixture of pieces from consignment stores, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and thrift stores. This beautiful rug was purchased from Tuesday Morning. It is absolutely gorgeous. I also purchased this ottoman from Tuesday Morning. Together, they both ground the space beautifully, complementing the blonde wood tones of the curio cabinets while making the rich cayenne pepper color of the sofas pop. And with all of these amazing finds, this room is still not yet 100% completed. I can't wait to share the changes with you. Thank you so much for watching my formal living room tour. I hope that you've been inspired and motivated to make your home beautiful on a budget. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye.